Hello viewers, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are.
Hello children, good to see you again. Today we're learning English and the topic today is noun. The subtopic is common noun and proper noun. Before I continue, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Auntie Olivia. Now let's go on. What is noun? Before now, we learned that noun is one of the 8 parts of speech. Remember that? So we want to know what noun really is. Okay, we told that a noun is used to name people, animals, places, things, or ideas. Sometimes we also say a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. We simply say the same thing, okay? So a noun is used to name people, animals, places, or things or ideas. Types of noun. There are 4 types of noun. There is a common noun, the proper noun, the collective noun, and the abstract noun. And so today in this class, remember that I told us that the subtopic for today's class is the common noun and the proper noun. So we're picking the first 2 types of noun. Let's find out what the common noun is. Common noun are names given to all people, places, animals, things, or ideas. It is used to name general items. Common nouns are not usually capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Examples of common noun would be country, dog, cat, state, girl, and so on. Now, let me explain what this particular sentence is saying. Common nouns usually are capitalized when they start a sentence. They're not usually capitalized when they're in the middle of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. I want to give you an instance. If you make a sentence, girls are beautiful. You see, the common noun in this sentence will be what? Girls. And if you observe very clearly, you see that the girls is written, the first letter is written in what? Capital letter. That's exactly what they're saying here. So you capitalize common nouns only when it starts a sentence. Please, permit me to rub this off. I want to give you another example. I have a big a big black dog. Please, what do you think the common noun in this sentence would be? Yes, dog would be the common noun here. And what's your observance there? The dog is written in small letter. Okay? So that's what this sentence is actually saying. When the common noun starts a sentence, it will have to start with capital letter. And when the common noun ends a sentence or in the middle of the sentence, it is usually in small letter. Thank you. I'd like to rub this off now. It's not part of the notes. Okay? Okay. So that's what it's actually saying. Common nouns are used to name general people, ideas, places, things, or ideas. Let's go to the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper nouns are names given to specific people, animals, place, things, or ideas. They are always capitalized. Examples of proper noun would be Annabelle, John, Australia, and so on. So what is this saying here? The proper noun is usually capitalized, which means that unlike the common noun, if the proper noun comes in the middle of a sentence at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of the sentence, it is always what? Capitalized. But the common noun is only capitalized at the beginning of the sentence. Thank you. So what else again is different? The proper noun are names given to specific people, particular people, individual things, places, ideas, and the rest. But for common noun, their general is a general name. Okay? So because of that, we want to look at few common examples of common noun and proper noun. Here will be the common noun and this side will be the proper noun. We take the first example to be ocean. Okay? Ocean is a common noun. Now when we bringing it into individual or specific nouns, that will be Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, you have your Pacific Ocean and the rest. And the second example will be country. Country is a general name. For the proper noun would be United States, US, Sweden is a country, Australia is a country. Then we have the states. Minnesota is a state in the United States of America. Abia is a state in Nigeria. Lagos is a state in Nigeria. And there are others too. Then the first example would be mountain. The types of mountain we have Kilimanjaro, that's Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, and others. So this is a very, very simple subject. All right, children? It is well explained. Just in case you have missed out on any area at all that I mentioned, you can actually go back by replaying the video over and over again so that you can understand. All right? So today we will be ending this class here. And in our next class, we're going to be taking the collective noun and the abstract noun. It was good having you all, but before you go, please, register to join our classes on Edmodo to see more of our lessons. You can view our classworks, assignments, and notes, and also participate in our Zoom classes. I hope to see more of you.